Did you know Windows 11 has a built-in screen recorder? Well, if not, then here's how you can use it to record your own screen. So the built-in screen recorder is actually in Snipping tool. So if you go to your search bar and type for Snipping tool, it will then open. And you've probably used this before, maybe to take a screenshot. So by default, it will be on the image icon. You can though click on the video icon, then you can go and click on new and highlight an area that you want to record. So if you want to record your whole screen, you would do that. Then here you've got the microphone settings where you can select your microphone, and if you want to record the system audio or not, if you want to mute it, you can do. So we've got them both muted at the minute. You can then go ahead and click on start recording. It will then count down and record your computer. And obviously you can go ahead and interact with your computer and screen however you want, and it will record everything. Once you've done, click stop recording. It will then show you a preview of your recording. You can then save it in the top right hand corner. So click save as and choose a folder to save it to. Just like that, you've recorded your screen in full HD with either your microphone or system audio, and you've done it for free on Windows 11.